my channel. Here I am going to solve the question from the chapter Rational Number of class 7. Student, in this chapter we have solved various type of questions, and I hope that you get all the solution of the problems clearly and having no doubt. Today we have some word problems from this chapter. So student, let's see that question, and after this we shall start the multiplication of rational number, which will be very interesting and very amazing topic. So before starting that, let us see some more questions from the addition and subtraction of rational number. Here we are solving the question that are generally simplification, and you all have the idea how to solve this. Okay student, so let us see, there is a question and I hope that you would like this. In a basket of fruit, one third are apples. One fourth are oranges. And one fifth are banana. The remaining are mangoes. This is the term condition. What part of the basket of fruit is mango? What part of basket is mangoes? Okay, this is the first question. There is also a part included if the total number of fruit is 240. If the total number of fruits is 240, how many each are there in the basket? How many each are in the basket? This is the complete question. Let's see the question once again. Try to understand what does the question say. In a basket of fruits, 1 by 3 part of the basket is filled with apple. 1 by 4 part of the basket is filled with oranges, and 1 by 5 part of the basket is filled with banana, and the remaining part of the basket is filled with orange mangoes. So first of all, we have to find out the part that is filled with mango, and in the second case we have to find out the number of various type of fruit that are filled in the basket. So student, let us see them. Okay student, so in order to solve such type question, first of all we can suppose that the whole was 1, okay, because these are the part of whole. So we can consider, let us suppose that total fruits was 1. Okay, now one by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, and we shall subtract the sum of these 3 fractions from whole. Why? Because the total was 1, that means this is the total, and we shall subtract these part from total, then we get the remaining part of the basket. So here we can write minus 1. Okay, now we shall solve this. You can write here 1 by 1 because as I told you that every whole number are rational number. Okay, now find out the LCM of these 4 denominators. So here we get the LCM, 3 4 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So that the LCM will be 60. Okay, now let us see. So here we get 1 multiplied by 60 minus 23 is 60, so we shall multiply 1 by 20 plus, you can write like this, plus 4, 15 4 is 60, therefore we multiply 1 by 15 and plus 12 5 is 60, therefore multiply this by 12. Okay, and here we get 60 as LCM, and here we get 60 minus 20 plus 15 plus 12. Okay, and this will give us 60 minus 12 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 12, 47 upon 60, or you can solve this, 60 minus 47 upon 60, or subtract 10 minus 7, 3, 5 minus 4, 1 upon 60, so that the part of mango is 13 upon 60. Okay, so these are the parts of mangoes. Now just keep it in the mind, this is the part of apple, 1 upon 4 is the part of orange, and 1 upon 5 is the part of banana, and 13 upon 60 is the part of mango. And here the one question is that if the total number of fruit is 240, then find out the number of each type of fruit. So that if here first we find apple, okay. How we find the number of apple? Here we can see that this is the total whole. This is whole, and here 1/3 is the part of 240. So here, in order to get the number of apple, we shall multiply 240 by 1/3. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is 1/3 of 240. Here 1/3 part of the total fruit is apple. So here we shall solve 3 1 are 3, 3 8 are 24. So in this case the number of apple is 80. Okay. Now what's about orange? Oranges is, in case of orange we can see that the orange is 1/4 part of 240. Therefore we shall multiply 240 by 1/4. Okay, 4 1 are 4 and 4 6 are 24. So here we get the number of orange is 60. Now 1/5 part of 240 is banana. So bananas will equal to 240 multiplied by 1/5. Now divide it, 5 1 are 5, 5 4 are 20 and 5 8 are 40. So here we get 48. Okay, 48 represent number of banana. Now in the next is, this is the part of mangoes out of 240. So therefore mangoes will equal to 240 multiplied by 13/60. Okay. So here 0 and 0 cancel out, 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24, and here 13 multiplied by 4, and this is equal to 52. Therefore the number of mango is 52, number of banana is equal to 48, number of orange is equal to 60, and number of apple is equal to 80. Okay students, let's see the solution once again and try to understand. As the question is long, similarly the solution is also wrong, so don't be scared and try to understand what does the question want to say. So let us see the question once again. In a basket of fruit, okay, there is a basket, and in that basket there are various type of fruits are filled, out of which 1/3 are apple. Okay, in total there are 1/3 part is apple, 1/4 part is orange, 1/5 part is banana, and the remaining part is mango. Okay, there is no amount of mango is given. That means it is obvious we have to find the amount of mango. Okay, so what part of basket is mango? This is the first question. If the total number of fruit is 240, okay, if just suppose that in the basket total number of fruit is 240, then here it has been given that these are the parts of fruit out of total. So if the total number of fruit is 240, then we have to find how many there. So in order to get the part of mango, first we shall consider the whole as one, because in the basket is only one, and that basket is filled by various type of fruits. So when we separate them, then we get a part of different fruit. So here we consider the total fruit was 1, and the part of the given 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. So we shall add them and we subtract this from the whole. And here you can see that this is the simplification, and here we are clearly simplify them. Then finally we get 13/60 as part of mango. And now 240 is the total number of fruit. So we have to find how many are in the basket. Means we have to find number of banana, number of orange, number of mango, number of anything. So here you can see that 1/3 are apple, which means that 1/3 of 240 is apple. So here 1/3, 1/3 of 240, that is 80. 1/4 of 240, that is 60. 1/5 of 240, that is 48, and 13/60 of 240 is 52. So in this way we have solved our solution. Okay student, I hope it is clear. We shall meet in the next video with new topic. Till then, goodbye.